What's going on, everybody? My name is Justin Bauer. I am a former multi-million-dollar fitness owner who got really good at B2C acquisition. I took this skill set, applied it to law, and the results have been very explosive. So advertising, intake, funnel, legal, those are pretty much the four components of our funnel that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So here's a bit about who we are, what we do. The biggest thing we help law firms with is case acquisition. There are a lot of problems that we fix. The biggest thing is unpredictability, rising costs per case. Many firms that we work with also have these traditional methods that used to work years ago, but with AI, with PPC getting disrupted, with all sorts of changes and even private equity coming into legal space, things are just very different now more than ever. So what we're able to do is help take over acquisition from advertising, intake, funnel building, again, the legal vetting. Look at what your firm is looking for, be able to connect and tap directly into the market, make everything happen in between to start getting signed qualified cases directly under your brand, which is going to outperform lead vendors and case vendors. And oftentimes having a single brain to do everything is really what firms have been kind of missing. So here's a quick overview of what the funnel stages look like. We have our ads, we have the legal vetting, we have an outreach team that we provide, the funnel steps, the follow-up, everything that we're able to do to help sign these cases under your brand. Now, just kind of a quick touch on ads. Here's an ad account from a disability firm. We're spending around $2,000 per day. Ad cost is very healthy. We're able to get a 20-to-1 return on all of these ads, which is insane. That being said, disability is contingency. It does take 6 to 24 months for these cases to cash out. But this firm, I met them at 40 cases per month and a little bit of mixed quality. We are now at 200 plus signed qualified cases per month, and we've made the jump from 1.5 million to a over 8-figure run rate, which is very impressive. All of this happened in 14 months, which is one of the coolest things I think I've done. So this is the advertising side. There's a ton that we do: split testing, hooks testing, all of the media buying that any really good media buyer would do. I've spent hundreds of thousands of my own money on my fitness company over I started advertising more than 10 years ago. We're really good at advertising. We can get attention. We know scroll stopping ads. There's stuff that we do in ads that people do not even know about in the legal industry, and the results are very good. The next thing is sales. So sales is good. Leads are amazing, guys, but if we can't close our leads, the ads are always going to look bad. So we treat intake like a sales team. So proper objection handling. I don't give out my social security number, and these objections like that. Speed to lead is crucial. The staffing, having redundancy for people that are on calls and able to get to the next person. This is just kind of a glimpse of how we help our law firms overhaul their acquisition, get lower cost per case, get predictability that they're looking for, and ultimately help them reach the goals that they want. Scaling quickly, predictability, no headaches, all that sort of good stuff. So that's kind of a brief overview of what we can do. Thanks for checking us out. More than happy to take a look at what you guys have going on to see how we can help you scale your firm fast. That is it, and I'm looking forward to speaking with you soon.